According to question, at an 33 kV substation, suppose that this is substation 33 kV, that is line voltage. Of course, two loads 10 megawatt and 0.8 lagging power factor. First one, two loads. First load are connected like this one. Okay. Now here, that is load 1. P1 this is equal to 10 megawatt and cos phi 1 this is equal to 0.8 power factor lagging. Clear? Okay. Now and another load 2 and 10 MVA, sorry 8 MVA. It means S2 this is equal to 8 MVA and cos phi 2 this is equal to 0.7 leading power factor. As connected the total load, first of all, suppose that is S1 this is equal to P plus JQ1. Clear? Another load are connected in parallel. Both are connected to substation 33 kV substation. It means both are connected in parallel. It is clear? That is S1 and this is S2. S2 this is equal to P2 plus JQ2. Clear? Now, what about total load? First question is, what about total load? And total load means our motto SL. SL means S1 plus S2. If determine P1 and Q1 and P2 and Q2, then determine SL, that is total load. Now here, I know that P1. What about Q1? I don't know. Here, what about P2 and Q2? I don't know. How to determine? Our motto, how to determine P1 and P2. P1, P2, S1, Q1 and Q2. Okay. Now, you know that is P1, sorry, this is P1, that is Q1, that is theta 1 and this is S1. Okay. What about tan theta 1? Tan theta 1 is written as Q1 divided by P1. If you want to Q1, it means P1 into tan theta 1. Cos phi 1 is 0.8 power factor lagging. What about phi 1? What about phi 1? That is cos inverse 0.8 with the help of Kelsey. Okay, with the help of Kelsey, cos inverse 0.8, that is 36.869. Okay, tan 36.9, that is 0.7. Q1 this is equal to P1 into tan 36.869. What about P1? P1 is 10 and this is 0.75. It means it is written as 0.75 MVAR. That is Q1. Clear? What about Q1? Now, S1 is written as P1 plus JQ1. What about P1 10 megawatt plus what about Q1? That is J 7.5 MVAR. Now written as 10 plus J 7.5. Why Q is positive? Q is positive because of power factor is lagging. If power factor is leading, then what about Q? Q is negative in this case. Okay. Now S2 is given like this one. Our motto, determine P2 and Q2 with the help of, that is phi 2, this is P2 and that is Q2 and that is S2. Cos phi 2 this is equal to P2 divided by S2. What about P2? S2 into cos phi 2. What about S2? That is 8. And what about 0.7, that is 5.6 megawatt. Okay, P2 is 5.6 megawatt. What about Q2? Q2 calculate with the help of sign phi 2, this is equal to Q2 divided by S2. So Q2 this is equal to S2 into sine phi 2. What about S2? S2 this is equal to 8. And what about sine phi 2? Sine phi 2 this is equal to cos phi 2 is 0.7. Cos inverse is 0.7 is 45. Cos phi 2 this is equal, sorry, phi 2 this is equal to cos inverse 0.7, this is equal to 45.5729. Okay, cos, sorry, that is sine 45.5729. Okay, into 8. Finally we got that is 5.71314 MVAR. Okay, power factor leading, it means Q is negative. Q is negative. So P2 this is equal to 5.6 minus J 5.71314. Okay. Now our motto, determine SL. SL means S1 plus S2. It is clear? No doubt corresponding to this one. SL is equal to S1 plus S2. It means 10 plus J 7.5 plus 5.6 minus J 5.71314. Finally we got that is 15.6 plus J 1.786. Okay. Now SL is equal to, finally we got 1.786. Okay, it is clear. What about PL? PL is written as 15.6 megawatt. And what about QL? It is written as 1.786 MVAR. Okay. QL is positive. It means that is lagging power factor. If Q is positive, it means lagging power factor. If you want to supply power factor, cos phi L is, that is PL and that is QL. Okay, that is phi L. Tan phi L, it is written as QL divided by PL. Okay, QL divided by PL. 1.786 divided by 15.6. Phi L is equal to tan inverse, that is 1.786 divided by 15.6. Tan inverse 6.531, that is cos phi L, that is, finally we got 35. Okay, cos phi L is 0.999. Okay, power factor lagging. Why? Because of QL is positive. If QL is negative, it means power factor is leading. Okay. Also determine the value of capacitor bank to improve power factor to be unity. Capacitor bank to be added here. Okay, it is clear. What about SL? It is written as 15.6 plus J 1.786. Clear? Now capacitor bank is added to improve power factor. Cos phi L is written as 0.999 lagging. Clear? Now a capacitor bank added. If capacitor bank is added, it means parallel to this one added at a substation, so it is parallel to this load. Now capacitor bank, what about SC? SC is written as minus QC because of capacitor. It means pure leading power factor, pure leading, that's why. 9. Okay, after capacitor bank is added to substation, what about power factor? Corresponding to question, improve power factor to be unity. It means overall power factor cos phi this will be equal to 1. Okay, it is clear. Power factor should be 1 corresponding to question. What about Q? Our motto first of all determine Q. What about capacitor bank? QC. Okay, our motto determine QC. How to determine? First of all, we know that suppose that is S dash. After adding capacitor bank, net power SL plus SC. SL is 15.6 plus J 1.86 minus J QC. 15.6 plus J 1.586 minus QC. It is clear. Okay, overall power factor cos phi dash this equal to 1. It means what about phi? That is 0. It means what about sin phi dash? This is also 0. What about Q dash? Q dash this equal to, it is also 0. Why? Because of it depend upon sin S into sin phi dash, that's why 0. It is clear. It means you can say that P dash plus J Q dash is 0. Why? Because of power factor is unity, that's why. If Q dash is 0, it means 1.86 minus QC, this is equal to 0. What about QC? 1.786 MVAR. Clear? That is 1.786 MVAR is the final answer. Okay.